So guys, this is my 20 gallons for the baby cichlid so far, and I purchased this one for the sale price in PetMart. So this is only $20 now, the horizontal 20 gallons, but this one and they stand Amazon. So I put this one in the garage because we have a lot of aquarium inside, so it's congested already. So these are the babies, the 10 gallons. And this is sale price, guys, in PetSmart. So as you can see, there's a lot of babies there. So once they become big, they're going to transfer there. So the reason why I put water, because to cycle the water. So we're in the garage, sorry for the shoes there, everything. So this good stand, if you like this one, I can put this one in the link in the description. So $44, not bad. So this is 20 gallons horizontal. It's a long one. There's also the short one, but it's a little bit high. So, but it's more expensive, the tall one, because this is not a kit. So you can buy just a single one, this without kit. So I purchased these lights in Amazon. That was cost $10. And this one from there, the kit for 10 gallons. This one I'm using. Because here you cannot just put like the canister should be sponge because they're going to suction them. So I put 2 sponge. This one is $10 also, so $10 each, so 20. And I have thermostat. They have cover and they have LED lights. So I think they are 30 guys, 30, and still have there inside the house. There's more babies in the mouth of the mother cichlids. So it's already like this is 3 days already in garage. So but before, it's that one, this aquarium is from receiving, so I transferred here from the garage so far, and the temperature is 81.5, so that's good. So that's a baby cichlids, and soon, maybe 1 month, I'm going to transfer here for the meantime. So that's all got. So happy fish keeping, guys. What do you think about that? It's good, right? It's cute with artificial, but this is not artificial, this is live plants. Yeah, I just get from my 75 gallons.